Another state bank opened a Bitcoin trading platform. Belarus, the largest bank in Belarus, has opened a cryptocurrency trading platform in partnership with Whitebird. According to Prime Press from local media, the state-owned Belarus, the largest bank in Belarus, has partnered with a cryptocurrency company called Whitebird to offer cryptocurrency buying and selling services with Visa payment cards. For now, citizens of Russia, Belarus, Kazakhstan, Armenia, and Kyrgyzstan, which are the countries of the Eurasian Economic Union, benefit from the service. The platform, accessible via whiteboard.io, is advertised as the first and only legal crypto flat clearing service of the Eurasian Economic Union countries. Citizens of these countries, as of today, they can buy and sell Bitcoin in Russian ruble, Belarus ruble, Euro or US dollar in the platform developed in cooperation with Belarus Bank. The service is planned to expand to more countries and add more cryptocurrencies in the future. Additionally, it is aimed to provide a range of additional services at the intersection of traditional economy and innovative financial technologies. You may be interested. The giant bank opened a cryptocurrency exchange and listed cryptocurrencies. 99.95% of the bank is owned by the State Property Committee, and this institution has been partnering with the Whitebird since 2018. As of 2018, 20,675 people were working within the body of Belarus Bank, a well-established bank established in 1922. In recent weeks, DBS, the largest individual and commercial bank of Singapore, also owned by state, announced that it will open an exchange where cryptocurrencies can be purchased with flat money, and that Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and XRP will be listed in the first place. At the beginning of November, the Swiss branch of the big Russian bank Gazprom Bank received the approval for the Bitcoin trading and custody service.